Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure I was talking about this morning. I said if it broke below here, I definitely would go back to looking for shorts. Never did break below there, and also never did break a new high, so it's been in between these two lines. Definitely still looking for longs. I mean, this looks to me like a possible three-way pullback, so definitely looking for longs unless we get a nice significant break of structure to the downside. The trend is definitely technically down on the daily time frame and up. So if we do get a break of structure to the downside, we definitely want to go back to looking for shorts because the higher time frame trend could continue. But if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we would just keep on looking for longs. So it shouldn't really create a problem either way. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.